Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, today we are studying chapter control and coordination, and in that we are studying topic disorder of adrenal cortex. Now adrenal cortex disorders can be aldosteronism, Cushing syndrome, etc. Let's study and find out today. Your adrenal cortex, which are present in pairs, may result to numerous disorders, and one of them is Addison's disease, which is associated with low amounts of mineralocorticoids and glucocorticoids. It may even cause aldosteronism and Cushing syndrome and adrenal vintism. Disorder of adrenal cortex. Now, adrenal cortex region disorders result into Addison's disease that leads to low amount of mineralocorticoids and glucocorticoids. Now, low level of mineralocorticoids and glucocorticoids lead to lower blood pressures, weakness, retardation, dizziness, etc. Aldosteronism is also a disorder that's caused by excess production of aldosterone that leads to higher level of sodium and potassium in blood, and this salt level reduced may cause problems in day-to-day life. So students, in this part of the chapter, we came across disorders of adrenal cortex, and I hope you are very clear with this concept. Thank you.